Oh yeah, I believe we've seen this in here before, right? We've seen this shirt here. This isn't the first time that this shirt has made an appearance, but today is appropriate. As is every day, I suppose, right? As is every day, right? How we looking today? Looking fantastic every day. How we looking today? Gentlemen, woo! A roadmap to success on each arm. Let's go. So today is a special day, as with every day, right? This shirt, extremely appropriate today, as with every day. And there's one thing, or many things, but one thing I definitely want you to take away from this channel, right, is that I am truly here to help. And I would say that I do believe that most channels in the red pill space are here to help. Not all of them walk the walk and talk the talk, but I do believe the intentions are good for the most part. Here's the thing. Let me ask you, how often do you see something on the internet that you've never seen before, that no one else is doing? Think about it. Because I thought the same thing to myself when I had this particular insight come to mind. And I realized that if I did it, I would be doing something that no one else is doing, especially in this community. See, not only do I walk the walk and I talk the talk, but I care on a level that's different than what you would typically find in a YouTube channel. And so go ahead, look at the internet. And when I tell you about this, you'll see that no one else is doing anything like what I'm doing. So, what is it that I'm going to be doing? I'm going to be answering some of your deepest and even darkest questions. Questions of your own personal experiences, and I'll be doing it in real time. If you're seeing this, okay, then that means that there's probably already a video up. Maybe even more. Maybe 2, maybe 3. Who knows? Go check the channel. Go watch. And in these videos is going to be where males like yourself can get answers to help them become real men. And where men like you are finding answers on how to walk a better path or deal with unique experiences that in reality may not even be that unique. So I want you to check these videos out. And when you're looking at them, I want you to realize that there's nothing else like it on YouTube, or I would imagine anywhere else. And in this age of internet, how often is that something that you actually see? Something new. And not only is it new and no one else is doing it, not Jordan Peterson, not Fresh and Fit, none of these other red pill or advice places are doing this to help men. So I'm going to do something special for you. Get out there, watch the videos, and learn from other people's experiences, even if they're different from your own. And if you have experiences similar to what you're seeing and what I'm going to be helping people navigate through using the medium of expert advice, then, well, I hope you enjoy. Go out there, slap some ass, complete some tasks, and I'm going to see you in the next video. Damn, how did I get like this again? God Kinetica out.